In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Klarna with PayPal. Now, I know many of you are interested in finding ways to combine these two convenient payment platforms, and it's easy to see why. Both Klarna and PayPal offer unique features that make online shopping a breeze. However, there's a small hitch. You can't directly connect Klarna to PayPal. But don't worry, there's a simple workaround that works effectively, and I'm here to guide you through it. To get started, you'll need to utilize Klarna's digital card feature. This is a clever method that allows the two systems to work together seamlessly, even though they aren't directly compatible. Let's dive into the steps. First, you have to open your Klarna app. If you prefer using a computer, you can also navigate to Klarna's website. If you haven't done so yet, go ahead and create a digital card. Creating a Klarna digital card is straightforward and resembles generating a virtual credit or debit card, which you can use for various online purchases. Once your digital card is set up, it's time to bring PayPal into the mix. Go to your PayPal account and navigate to the wallet section. This part is crucial because essentially you are going to add your Klarna digital card just like you would add any other debit or credit card. Look for the option that says link a card. You'll want to carefully enter your Klarna card details right here. This includes the card number, expiration date, and the security code on the card. Treat this just as you would when linking any other card. Once you've input all the necessary information, remember to click on the link card or save option. After saving it, your Klarna digital card will now appear in your PayPal wallet. It's just like having another debit or credit card added to your account. This is a pivotal step as it connects Klarna's convenient financing options to the wide array of merchants that accept PayPal. From here on out, you can use this linked Klarna card for PayPal purchases wherever PayPal is accepted. This method allows you to enjoy the benefits of Klarna's flexible payment plans alongside the universal acceptance of PayPal, providing a smoother and more versatile shopping experience. And there you have it. That's how you can use Klarna with PayPal easily and efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and useful tutorials. Happy shopping with your new finance setup.